Hi there, it's Judy from Judy D Beauty, and we've made it. Today's the last video on the cheek and lip injection series. So yay! So I wanted to mention a few things. So the product that was used in the injections is a Teocel product. That's a Swiss brand that make dermal fillers. And there were two different ones. One was a dermal filler for just made for the cheeks. That was put in, of course, just right here. And it's a thicker filler. And that has a life of maybe 2 years if you're lucky. And then one for the lips that will last like maybe 6 months. They say maybe 8, but I don't know that anybody would necessarily get 8, but it all depends on your metabolism and a whole bunch of other things. So that gives volume, and what happens is as we age, a lot of us will lose that volume, that puffiness that's in our cheeks, and sometimes we'll get more of a hollow, flat look. And so a lot of times what happens is it goes down here and we get this kind of stuff happening, and then the nasolabial folds become deeper. So when we fill up this tends to flatten out. With the lips, they tend to get a little thinner and they lose volume as well. So I was very happy with my results. They just brought me back. They gave me a little bit of a freshness and a boost that I really enjoyed. I've always used anti-aging products, and I will continue to do so, but you can't get the type of boost that you can get with fillers and those kind of things. So I will, I'm a fan, and I will continue to be a fan. So I would definitely do it again. And just even from a practical standpoint, for my lips especially, you know, even though I'm a makeup artist, I still, in the morning and through the day, I really enjoyed not having to make my lips look bigger the way they used to be, like the fullness, you know, drawing and filling in constantly, just to have them already there and already done like that, and just looking in the mirror and seeing them nice and full was awesome. And I will definitely be repeating that process. It's a little more money than a lot of people want to spend, but if you're able to, I would highly recommend it. So if you're thinking of doing something along those lines, I'm hoping that coming along with me on this journey will help you decide, you know, maybe that if it's for you, if it's not for you, but just to enlighten you, have a little bit of the behind the scenes with me, with my numbing cream and all that, that maybe it gives you a little bit of insight as to what it might be like. And if you've had it done and you want to share, that's what it's all about. I would love to hear your comments. If you have any questions, any more questions, just feel free to ask, and if I can answer, I would love to. So I will say until next time, you know, just feel free to ask, and stay well.